Hello. Today I'm showing you a new feature on Virtly, which is the export and import of events configuration. So here I have our own demo event, which is fully configured, full of categories and rooms inside each category. And we want to export it and import into a brand new event that we have just created. So I have here this event, which is completely empty, and we want to fill it with the configuration that we have on the previous one. So in order to do that, you can export your configuration on the operations section of your cockpit. Here you have import and export event. So let's just do export event. When you do that, you can select which areas of the event you want to export, which type of configuration or areas in the event. So you can say that you want the event details, which includes the description, the banners, and the title of the event, for example. You can say the access control area, which includes if it's a free event, if it's a guest list only event, also the RSVP information, but it doesn't include the guest list, the different guests that have been granted access on this event, the main stage configurations, all the sections here on the configuration area that are included with this selection, the look and feel that allows you to export the navigation bar selections on the left side of the event, or the themes that is configured, also the custom maps, and the settings of the social wall. So if you select just one or two, only those sections will be included in the export. Then here on this section, you have the different areas of the event that can be exported, and items that have been created inside the app. For example, the categories. If you create categories, they will be exported here, as well as the rooms and apps, the tags, the pools, and the broadcast message. So you simply export it, and now you can save your CSV file on your local machine, and you see that the configuration will include all the settings of the event. Now, if you want to import it, you just need to go to the cockpit of the brand new event, and you click import configuration. You can select it, or you can simply drag and drop the file that you have just created. Here you can analyze what is going to change comparing from the JSON file that you are importing, comparing to the event that you currently have. For example, here you can see that the title will be renamed to Virtly Demo Event, which is the one that we exported. And for all settings, you can see these changes there. And once you import, the import will start to create, and everything will be imported as it is defined here. It's also important to mention that here, if you, for example, if you have a room that has been exported and it's going to be imported, if you import it twice, it will be updated. But you cannot manually adjust the JSON file, or we strongly unrecommend that, because these can create some conflicts and some bad data. So please export a configuration from another event and import it without changing it manually. Now you can see that the event is the import has been completed. So let's see how it looks like. Now you can see that the broadcast message are coming, that have been added, and you can also see all the categories here on the left side. You can open and you can see which rooms are there that are exactly the same as the ones that they have before. So we hope that this is going to be useful for you to create different backups of your events, or to create different templates that you can import into new events, and that you have fun with configuring, adjusting, and sharing your configurations with your peers. And as always, please let us know what you think about it and which other features you think would be useful for your events, and happy to hear from you. Thank you.